Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with that niche, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. The second one is a Redbubble Masterclass. It's also a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. I'm actually offering a end of the month sale, 75% off for both of these courses. So they're only going to be $9.99 till the end of the month. But once we hit next month, the price is going to go back up to the original price of $39.99. So if you've been on the fence, you might want to consider taking advantage of buying these courses because they will only be at this price for the next 2 weeks. If we look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, we're going to see that I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales and I made over $38,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And when we look at my credentials on Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000 with my best month being in June of 2022, where I did $317. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. The courses are really good for like beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. And the niche that I have for you guys today is a sub niche in the St. Patrick's niche. So the phrase is most likely to do an Irish exit. Now, I don't really know why this is trending. I mean, I have an idea. I think it's because obviously, St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so that's probably why it's trending. If you don't know what an Irish exit is, I believe that it's when you just leave without saying goodbye. You just kind of sneak out the back door. If we go to Google just to see, you always want to check to see why something might be trending. When I type it in, nothing pops up. It's just basically t-shirt links. And if we go back to Amazon or to Merch, we're going to see that there's only 123 results at the time of this recording. This is what the design is looking like. So it's very simple, easy text. And when we look at some of these, we're going to see that they were just uploaded February 8th, February 15th, February 15th, February 15th. I mean, today's the 17th, so just a couple of days ago, these were uploaded. And look, these are already at some really nice BSRs, $19.99. So, that's a good sign right there. Now, a couple ways you can design for this. I wouldn't recommend that you just do a text design like this. I would recommend that you add some type of element to it. So there's a couple things we could do here. You could do like a messy bun. So you can find like a St. Patrick's Irish messy bun, and market this to like women who do an Irish exit. You can also do something like the curvy wavy text that's been trending a lot. Another thing you can do is like a distressed flag. Maybe you can add that text in the distressed flag where one of the stripes goes. Another option would define like a St. Patrick's boho rainbow. That's also another very popular clip art that you'll see on t-shirts. So that's what I recommend. Don't just do a straight text like this. Add some type of element to the design. You can do other St. Patrick clip arts like, leprechauns or clovers or, things like that, shamrocks. When we go to test to see if this phrase is trademarked, most likely to do an Irish exit, we hit enter. We're going to see that nothing pops up. Now, there is a pending trademark for most likely to, but it has not been approved yet. It doesn't have a registration number. In my course, I actually teach you how to read and understand trademarks. So you probably won't be able to have this design up forever, but you can see that all of these designs are getting through using that phrase. So you should be fine until it does get a registration number. But for the time right now, you should be good to go. When we take a look at this this phrase or this niche on some of the other print-on-demand websites, we're going to see that on Etsy, there's barely any competition, 667. I think I only saw this design right here. Pretty much the rest is for clip art and mock-ups. If we go to Redbubble, also very little competition. What do we got here? Only 52 results. And a lot of them aren't even having the shirt should be green, I think, for the most part. At least have the text is green. So, this is a good example right here. If we go to Tpublic and we check out the competition on these guys, we're going to see that also, nobody's using, well, there's a little competition. Nobody's using some of those like other clip art ideas I was talking about, like with the boho rainbow or with the flag or with the messy bun. So this could be a good website or a good platform to get your designs up on. And if we go to CreateAFabrica, if you just type in St. Patrick's Day and then filter it by t-shirt designs, You know, these are a bunch of t-shirt designs that you can get for St. Patrick's Day. So if you're looking for just other St. Patrick designs for merch by Amazon or other print-on-demand platforms, you can sign up to these guys. I do have an affiliate link in the description. So if you go to one of my videos and you scroll down in the description where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see CreateAFabrica. If you click on this and you sign up, I do get a small commission, but it does help out the channel, and you get access to all of CreateAFabrica's clip art t-shirt designs, not just, you know, St. Patrick's Day, and you get it for a whole year. And it's only, what do they have? It's only like $59, I think, for the year. It breaks down only $4 or $5 for the month. So good value there. So if you're interested, check out the affiliate link in the description. And that is basically going to be the niche for today. If you like this kind of content, you know, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos like this on a regular basis, just talking about like trending niches, design ideas for merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. And if you're a bit on the fence, or if you're just struggling to get sales on merch or Redbubble, or you're a beginner and you're looking for some guidance, you know, I'd recommend you take a look at my courses. They're going to be 75% off for the rest of February. All right, so if you're interested, check those out. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.